Look at him go. Watch where you're going. Wow, that looked like too much fun. You're almost over the hump.
Don't run into the tree.
Yeah, aim away from the poison oak.
Pretty good. He stopped himself.
You didn't raise no fool.
Alright, Logan, you gonna do it? Woo!
Freewheeling. It's not quite as steep as it looked. There we goes.
Alright, there you go.
High five?
Whoa.
Alright.
There's a zip of a ride.